Here I have Huawei Honor 20i, and today I'm going to show you how to wipe cache from this device. So first of all, you have to turn your device off, and after it turns off completely, you have to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume up at the same time like this. After the screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding volume up, and keep holding it till you enter some kind of menu. In this menu, you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, then select option clear data, and then wipe cache partition. After cache wipe completes, go back and then restart your device. And it will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.